how to turn off notifications in Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. Open up a Duolingo app and then go to the three dots in the bottom right and tap on Profile. Now, there tap on the gear icon in the top right and you will see notifications option. Tap on it. Now from here you can change your notification settings. So this is how it works. There are different categories. Or if you want to completely turn off the notifications, then you can come back, head over to settings on your phone, scroll down, go to notifications, and now search for Duolingo. Just tap on it and then just toggle off the allow notifications. And there you go. You have completely turned off notifications in Duolingo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.